Alright, this is the chosen content that I wish to translate, and this is how we see it at our site. Go into the CMS, and I have the same content open here. I choose the translation tab. I choose the language that I wish the content to be translated to. Request the translation, wait for a couple of seconds or less, and then I'm able to review the translation side by side with the original content. And per paragraph, I'm also able to do some edits to the text if needed. Changing whatever is needed so that it matches with the original source content. Checking one by one, everything looks to be great. So I will just save this as completed. And the translation appears in the CMS as it should, having all the content and paragraphs exactly the same way as in the original content. And one more thing is to check how this looks at our site. So here we have the original content, and now switching to English, and indeed here we have it. All paragraphs and elements just as they're supposed to be. Awesome.